from Miyagi. I'm in Kogota, and I've come across yet another old locomotive. C11367. This one is not inside a shelter or anything like that, so I guess they have to come out and repaint it every once in a while. The surface is looking a bit rough. Alright, looks like he's closed up right now. He's locked. No entry. We can at least walk around. See what he looks like from all angles. There we go. Nobody playing baseball today? Oh well. Power cord going around here for some reason. Okay. So the next stop is over here somewhere. Kogota station. And then from there I shall be turning westward on the final stretch over towards Fudakawa or something like that, where I'm staying. There's some constant station there. And anyway, that was a nice little walk. And on that note, I shall catch you later.